Hello and welcome to an introduction to SmartFactory Digital Manufacturing Solutions. In this session, we'll take a look at SmartFactory Quality Event, or CAPA. Quality Event, or Corrective Action Preventive Action capabilities include the ability to capture anything deemed a quality event according to your company SOPs. A triage step that allows CAPA managers to make assignments, determine priorities, opportunities for the assigned investigator to report on various potential root causes of the CAPA event, and then create a scenario for the reviewer to take a look at that investigation, make a determination of the disposition of that quality event, and also generate a CAPA summary that provides a dashboard for all users to evaluate. Before we go to the CAPA app, let's first stop in administration. Within the administrative app, the CAPA tab allows us to set up the various CAPA categories. We can also establish what are the appropriate dispositions for our quality events. Role management allows us to establish who is responsible as a CAPA reviewer or an owner in terms of who's authorized to investigate quality events. Once you've established those fundamentals within the administration, the CAPA app is very easy to use. Upon entering CAPA or quality event, the user is taken to an event summary. Initially filters by the owner. When removing that, you could see all the CAPA events that are currently in the system, what their priority is, what category they belong, who the owner is, and what the status is. It's very easy to establish a new CAPA event by simply recording the description and an image if necessary. For this event, I'm noting that the packaging department has failed its pre-op inspection 2 times this week. When I hit record, it's immediately sent to the CAPA manager for triage and assignment. Triage allows any CAPA manager to select the appropriate category. In this case, it's likely a method problem. Certainly this is urgent, and I'm going to assign Jim Sorbello with the due date of Tuesday for an initial report. I'll return back to the event summary, and let's take a look at how I can continue my investigation of a case erector issue that I was assigned earlier in the week. I've made 3 investigative notes, 2 related to the methods I observed, 1 related to the machine as I evaluated its readiness. At this stage, I'm ready to make 1 more investigative note related to the methods that I've observed. I'm confident that we need to update our SOP and retrain second shift, and I'm sending it to Lance Roundy, my manager, for review. You'll notice that that event has now been removed from the summary until review is completed. The reviewer has the opportunity to take a look at all notes that have been reported by any of the investigators, add his own notes, select a different disposition, and in this particular case, I'm going to agree and approve that updating the SOP is the correct disposition. If I'm not satisfied, I can return it to the investigator for more evaluation. The last element that we'll look at today is the CAPA dashboard, and it returns a summary of events by status, category, priority, breaks down the events by priority and owner, tracks how many total quality events and which events are open by priority. Any member of the organization and the team with access to the CAPA app can review this dashboard. I'm always returned to my event summary to continue the next activity as needed. That concludes today's short orientation to SmartFactory Quality Event / CAPA. For more information, please visit asmartfactory.com or look for the other videos in this series.